Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at the intensity of an electromagnetic wave. Intensity is equal to power divided by area. So let's write that down. Intensity is power divided by area. So we can note the units of intensity. Are going to be watts per meter squared. Okay, so we can write power as total energy per time and then we still have the 1 over area. All right, so let's look back at total energy. Total energy can be written as total energy density times volume. Okay. And now we can consider how the wave travels. The wave will travel a distance of d, and that will be equal to the speed of light times time. And that is because, as with any velocity, c will be distance per time. There's no acceleration going on here. And then we also have volume will be the area times that distance d. Okay, so substituting, we can say total energy will be equal to total energy density U times volume, which is A, times D. And now substituting for D, we get U times A times C times T. Okay. And so intensity is going to be total energy divided by area times time. So let's write that down. So total energy divided by area times time. We can substitute for total energy. That was U, A, C, T, and we are dividing by A and T. And we can simplify that and rewrite it as the speed of light c times total energy density U. And previously we found 3 expressions for the total energy density. And I'll link the video for you. Okay, so we found that first, U is 1/2 epsilon 0 E squared plus 1 over 2 mu 0 B squared. We found U is epsilon 0 E squared. And third, we found U is 1 over mu 0 times B squared. Okay, so our intensity will have 3 equations. Note, we could also use variable S, but we're just going to use I here. So intensity I will be 1/2, we'll put the C, then epsilon 0 E squared plus C over 2 mu 0 B squared. We can use intensity is C epsilon 0 E squared. And we can use intensity is C over mu 0 B squared. Okay. All of these equations are for values at a particular time. All right. And so now the key features are that intensity is proportional to total energy density. So we see I is C times U. And then we also have that U is proportional to E squared and B squared. So we'll do U is proportional to E squared. U is proportional to B squared. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.